Woke up this morning, sun in my eye. Another day calling under the sky. Watching the river, how it flows so free. Just like my spirit, wild and decree. Leave low, my brethren, feel it in your soul. Every single heartbeat taking its toll. Not for fret, not for war. Let the rhythm guide in this journey with nothing to hide. Some days the current rough, some days smooth and calm. Still we keep pushing through every storm. Roots running deep, planted firm and strong. Singing my truth in every song. Leave low, my brethren, feel it in your soul. Every single heartbeat taking its toll. Not for fret, not for war. Let the rhythm guide in this journey with nothing to hide. From creation's dawn to the final breath, we are part of something conquering death. Energy moving, everlasting and true. This year laying low, it'll carry we through. Leave low, my brethren, feel it in your soul. Every single heartbeat taking its toll. Not for fret, not for war. Let the rhythm guide in this journey with nothing to hide. Woke up this morning, sun in my eye. Another day calling under the sky. Watching the river, how it flows so free. Just like my spirit, wild and decree. Yeah. Life now, my brethren, feel it in your soul. Every single heartbeat taking its toll. Now if you fret, now if you worry, let the rhythm guide in this journey with nothing to hide. Oh. Some days the current rough, some days smooth and calm. Still we keep pushing through every storm.